I have given some questions. So different models we are going to solve. So far we have seen the concepts. Now the first model is A is to B equals to 2 is to 3 and B is to C equals to 4 is to 5. Then find A is to B is to C. So as we know, we are writing competitive exam means we have to do within the time. For that either we have to use shortcut or logic. So I don't want to solve this problem in traditional way. Okay, so I'm going to write here a small logic. When you are having ratios like this, then we can solve in a very easy way like this. AB, similarly BC. There are two ratios. You multiply these two, then these two, and these two. This is the shortcut. By using this shortcut, we can solve this question very easily. Now apply this one. 2 is to 3 and then 4 is to 5. So multiply these two, multiply these two, multiply these two. So if you are going to multiply this one, 2 into 4, 8 is to 3 into 4, 12 is to 3 into 5, 15. That's it. This is the answer. Very simple. In this way we can solve very easily. So for this one, you need to remember this shortcut. Now you can apply the same here also for the next problem, but this problem is not direct problem like this. Here directly he has given A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3, where here he has given A is equal to 2 by 3 B. So we can convert this one into A is to B. How we can convert? A is equal to 2 by 3 B, right? A is equal to 2 by 3 B. Now do one thing, you send this B other side, then it will be A by B is equal to 2 by 3, right? Now see, you do for this one same, B is equal to 5 by 7, right? C, so B by C is equal to 5 by 7. So now we got A is to B is equal to 2 by 3 or 2 is to 3, B is to C is equal to 5 by 7 or 5 is to 7. Now we can apply the same rule here, right? Because now these are in the same way. Now apply the same. 2 is to 3, 5 is to 7. Okay. Multiply these two, multiply these two, multiply these two. So what would be the answer? 10, 2 5s are 10 is to 3 5s are 15 is to 3 7s are 21. So this is the answer. In this way we can solve very easily. Now guys, I think you can solve this question in the same way, right? Here 3x is equal to 5y. Take variables one side and constants one side. So x by y is equal to 5 by 3 in this case, and here y by z is equal to 2 by 1. Here y means y quotient is 1. So now we can apply the same, right? So how can we write this one? So we can write like this, right? 5 is to 3, 2 is to 1. So multiply these two and these two. So 10 is to 6 is to 3 is the answer. In this way we can solve very easily. Sir, this is good. Shortcut is very beautiful. But what about if there are 3 ratios? You can apply the same way. Whether it is 2 or 3, you can extend this relation into next one. Okay, right. Now come to here. 6 is to x equals to 3 is to 5. Then find the value of x. 6 is to x is equal to 3 is to 5. When you have seen is equal to means that means they are there in the proportion. So as we know that proportion means condition. Product of extremes is equal to product of means. So 3x is equal to 6 into 5, x is equal to 6 into 5 by 3, 3 ones are 3 twos are, so 2 5s are 10. So this is 10. Right. Now coming to this one, find the fourth proportion of the given numbers. So fourth proportion means we need to, this is first proportion, second proportion, third proportion, we need to find the fourth proportion. So as we know that the relation will be like this, so we can apply the same way. 6x equals to 8 into 9, x equals to 8 into 9 by 6, 72 by 6, 6 1 jar, 6 12 jar, so x equals to 12. Here x means the fourth proportion. What is that? I was asked you the fourth proportion. Now coming to this one, third proportion. So third proportion means what? 4x, same, you apply the same rule because they are there in the proportion. So 4x is equal to 6 into 6, x is equal to 36 by 4, 4 1 jar 4, 9 jar 36. So the third proportion value is 9 here. Now find the mean. Find the mean. So as we know pretty well, b square is equal to 8 into 18. So b is equal to under root 8 into 18. 8 into 18 means 144, right? So b value implies b is equal to 144 means 12 square. So b equals to 12. So in this way we can solve the questions. These are fundamentals, basics actually. These are all level 1 questions. Sir, we are preparing for CSAT. Shall we get these questions? See, if you are, whether you are preparing for CSAT, CAT, MAT, doesn't matter, but you should know the fundamentals. You should know the basics. That's the reason I started with level 1 questions. Once you are good at level 1, then only you can solve the regular questions which you are getting in CSAT. So please don't neglect that these are small questions we don't get. No. Once you are good at this, then only you will be in a position to solve any question. Right? Right, friends. See this question. The ratio of copper and zinc is 5:3 in 120 kgs of mixture. There is a mixture. The quantity of the mixture is 120 kilos. And it is a mixture of copper and zinc. So C is to Z is given, that is 5:3. And the total mixture is 120 kilos. So what does it mean if you are going to analyze this one? If you are going to analyze this one, out of this 120 kilos, 5 parts copper is there, 3 parts zinc is there. That means total number of parts, how much it is? 5 plus 3. 8 parts is there. This 120 we have to divide into 8 parts. In that, copper is 5 parts and zinc is 3 parts. Now find the weight of the copper. He has asked the weight of the copper. What is the, how many parts of copper is there? 5 parts. So 5 by total number of parts into total quantity. So 8 ones are 8 ones are 8, 8 fives are 15, 8 are 120. So it is 75. Right? Very simple. It is enough to analyze the given one. Now coming to this one. The ratio of boys and girls in a class is 9:5. More or less the same information. But here, if the number of boys are 45, then find the number of students in the class. For this question, this is opposite. So, boys is to girls is 9:5.
So only boys means 9 parts. He has not asked you only girls, he has asked you total number of students. So if you take 9 parts, which will be how much it is? 45. See how I am analyzing the given data. What are the total parts? 9 plus 5, 14. The total strength of the class is 14 parts. In that, 9 parts are boys. How many boys he has given in the class? 45. That means if you are going to multiply with 5, 9 5s are 45. Each part 5. So 45 we got. Now you have to multiply with the same, right? Into 5. 14 5s are. So 7. So total number of students in the class is 7. Out of that, 45 are boys. Got it? So in this way, we can solve the questions very easy. Okay? So we will see the rest of the questions in the next video. Thank you.